What's up, gang? Today we are working on Cruis'n World, and this is another Neotec monitor. You can see focus is kind of off. The picture had the hula going on when we first turned it on, and after it warmed up, it looks a little bit better. So I'm going to cap it and replace the flyback because there goes the hula a little bit. The flyback's not keeping the focus right, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. Hopefully I can get the colors right, otherwise we got transistors on the way. And then after that I'll check the B plus and see if it's still doing the hula, and then hopefully that'll take care of that. Let's stick around, we'll get this one done. Okay, so got the chassis capped, got a new flyback on it here. Had to put flyback wire here. This is the G2, and then this goes to the neck. And had all the caps for this kit. Sometimes they come and they don't have them all. And what I'm hoping is that well, we're going to have to check the B plus whenever we get this put in. So I will have to research that because I don't remember how to check the B plus on this one. Not a big deal. I'm just going to have to look it up. But now we're going to throw her in the game and we will be back. Okay, we're back. We have the chassis reinstalled. And as you can see, it doesn't look great. We have, I do think we have some B plus issues, but I'm going to try to adjust what we can, see how much better it looks as is.
I'm gonna watch.
Okay, so tell me, I'm not sure.
I can already tell there's more red. It's very dark. So go for brightness first, I guess.
Yeah. And tell me if I'm going the wrong way.
I will. That's darker.
Darker?
And there's nothing now.
So that's getting darker?
That's brighter.
Brighter?
Yep.
Okay, tell me when.
Okay. Yep, keep going. Oh, there's a picture. And now, oh, it just went crazy.
Is that better?
It's a little bit better. Can you make it brighter? There's kind of like some tearing going through the screen.
Okay. I'll try it at the remote board. I can hear it when I turn it up a little bit more, it's starting to make a noise. So, let's just see if this does anything here. Looks like that's maxed out all the way.
Maybe turn that one down and crank the other one.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm like seeing some. I don't know about the colors. Maybe they'll be better.
I haven't adjusted any colors yet.
Yeah.
Trying to get where I can see the picture. Better?
Still dark. Nothing's changed yet. A little brighter.
I'm going all the way up on this thing now. Back it down just a little bit.
Can I try playing with some of these knobs over here?
Yeah, turn that brightness up on that one.
Okay.
Nothing?
Oh, that's up and down.
Try.
That's up and down.
Here, I got it. This one right here. I don't know if it actually do anything.
That did something.
That's the contrast. Okay. Let's see if there's a black level or anything on here. That doesn't really do anything for us. Let me try the brightness one more time. No. colors in case one of them is just too high. Alright, is this helping?
I'm watching. Still rather dark.
So it didn't help any?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna mess with red.
Okay.
We didn't have any red before. How's that look?
Same. Nothing changed.
Nothing changing?
Nope. Now there's red. That's definitely red. Turn it down a little bit. That made everything red.
It's still all red?
Yeah, everything's red.
Okay, turn it down, tell me when.
Stop there. A little bit down more. Hold on, I'm gonna start a race so I can see better. Yeah, everything's red now. Well, it's like black and red.
Yeah, well, I'm turning it down, so.
Yeah, leave it there for a second. Can you turn up the other two colors?
Yeah. This is green.
Yeah, it's like red and yellow now. Yeah, we got like a mix of red and yellow.
Blue.
There's blue. Yep, that's bringing the sky in. That's better.
More?
That's better. Yeah, more if you can. Oh, that's way better. Yeah, take a quick look where you're at. The street is like black.
Okay.
Yeah, I picked Moscow. It's probably not a great race.
I'm gonna adjust the focus now.
Okay.
So we can get a better look at it.
Not much green. How's my driving, everybody? Oh, I hit something. I didn't even see what it was.
Checkpoint.
Oh. Oh.
Alright, here we're gonna go focus.
Okay. Alright, I'm looking at it.
Better or worse?
I can't tell anything now. I'm looking at the numbers. The numbers are super blurry. That's better. That's better. That's better. Yeah, that's way better there.
Keep going.
Go a little bit more. Yeah, that looks pretty sharp. I can see the individual pixels now in the wall. Like you can see like the bricks and stuff now, and the numbers look good.
Okay, yeah, that's better.
Like it needs to be brighter still because I think that's supposed to be red. It looks like brown.
Let's see. I'm gonna turn it down some here so hopefully it affects it more over there. Well, let's see if I can get just a little bit more out of it over here. Okay, here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Get this screwdriver in stupid now. It's turned all the way up. This is going darker, right?
No change. Oh, that's black. That's back.
Not any better, huh? Okay, let me try this. Damn flashlight now. Setting it down. Is it over there?
Flashlight?
Yeah.
There's two brightness on this little thing. I got them both cranked all the way up.
Alright, tell me how this looks.
Okay.
Anything?
Hold on. That's doing something.
will change.
No, that's changing like red a little bit. That's making it more red. The road looks red now. Okay, now the road just turned gray again. Now the walls are yellow. Nice turn out race. Just gonna move some trees. Yeah, everything's yellow now.
Yeah, let's put it in test. Whenever you start a race, I can't hear anything.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Should be a monitor.
Utilities, maybe? Calibrate controls. Diagnostic menu.
Yeah. Let's see if there's a monitor test. Alright.
There you go.
So we should have red, green, and blue, and that's going to be as wide as possible. Looks like our video signal isn't very strong. That could be the B+ too. We need to check that next.
Okay.
I'm going to start screwing with this red.
Okay, I'm watching the red. The red to me looks brown.
It's just a mixture of colors. We got to get it right. Is that
Red is gone. It disappeared. Okay, now it's back. The red went down a little bit.
Yeah.
But that looks right because you can see the bars on the left.
I want to turn up the drive. The cutoff. Too red?
A little too red, yeah. Because you lose the bars on the left. It still looks kind of, I mean, it's there. It just looks kind of brown, but yeah. I mean, there's red there.
Okay. Going for green.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me when it's too much.
Okay, I can't really notice anything yet.
It's all the way up. Tell me when it goes away.
The blue's going away as you do that, and the white's turning green on the top.
Oh, maybe I'm on blue. The blue's going away?
Yeah.
Alright, tell me when it's back.
Okay. Blue's coming back slowly.
There yet?
Yeah, it's not a full bar yet. It's like 90% there.
I'm having a hard time seeing what these knobs are. I should have wrote it down when I had the board out. Okay, we were working on blue.
Mm-hmm.
Is that making it go up?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that looks good there. There's definitely blue there now.
Okay. Can we try the red again? Changing it?
Yeah, now you got another bar of red.
Okay. And tell me that I'm going green. Tell me when it's too much.
Okay. Can you go a little more on it?
Yeah. Does that help?
The white bar on the top looks blue. The red looks brown. The green is missing 2 bars, and then the blue is really bright. So I know that's supposed to be white.
You're crazy. That's red. It's just crimson.
Okay.
It's not bright enough.
So it needs to be brighter.
So, looks like blue down, green up. Okay. Tell me when the blue's down enough.
Okay. It should go down, and so the top bar is white, right?
Yeah, closer to white anyway.
Yeah. Okay.
How about that?
Yeah, it's closer to white. It still looks white blue, and then the blue bar on the bottom is really long.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's better. The blue bar is getting shorter.
Now we need green to go up, right?
Yeah. Well, it's the shortest one right now.
Okay, here we go. That's as high as we can go.
Okay.
Is it good or?
Well, I'll take a look. It's shorter than the blue. That did something there. But maybe if we fix the brightness somehow.
Red's got to come down. Blue's got to come down still. See how this is sticking out over here?
You don't want it sticking out?
No.
Okay.
All three colors should meet and make white at this top one.
Gotcha.
So we got just a little bit too much red. Green looks okay.
I gotcha. So we want it all with green.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So we want all the
You're right.
these side parts to come over. So I'm gonna bring blue down.
That makes sense.
Okay, tell me when blue's gone, or just that extra blue.
Okay. Still there, still there. Still there. Still there.
Try it on this one.
Oh yeah, that was it. That changed it big time, whatever you did there.
Is it?
Yeah, that got rid of those bars on the right side. The blue is very low now.
That better?
Now the white bar is green and the blue's very low.
Okay. So I still need to come down on the green looks like. Oh, I'm gonna have to bring that back up, that blue back up. Alright. Let me know when we get kind of close to full on that blue, but not overdone.
Okay. Oh, that went up a lot. Can you go in between there?
Like back?
Yeah, a little bit. Stop. Well, a little bit more. See, the problem is as soon as you turn the blue up, like you get the bar on the right. Now it's gone.
Just try to get it as close as possible. So now we're too green. Just bring this green down.
Yeah, I think you said at one point the green was all the way up.
Yeah. Just trying to find that happy medium in between all three colors. That help?
The blue's gone, the green's still there.
Oh, I must have been on the wrong one. Blue back.
Nope, blue's totally gone. There's a little bit of blue. Oh, blue came back big time.
You good?
Yeah, it's back.
Is it in the right spot though?
It's a little too wide. But when you turn it down, there, okay, a little more.
A little more down?
Well, yeah, now, this is what we're trying to do, Jessica.
Cool.
Like, it's working.
Don't worry about the white, just tell me.
Yeah, so the blue, when you go all the way wide, it pokes out on the end. Do you want it to poke out on the end?
No.
Okay. Yeah, because right now it's poking out on the end just a little bit. If you turn it down a little bit more. Now it's like all the way gone. You like turned it too much. Yeah, now you got half a bar, but it's not poking out on the end anymore. Yeah, oh, that's too much. Go down a little bit. Go down a little bit. Down a little bit. The other way. That's the wrong way. Stop there and see what that's at. So I have a feeling maybe if the brightness was higher, this bar might be longer. But then when you adjusted that blue, that's what got rid of the edge.
See, we got a little too much green still, a
This
little
is
too much
This is gonna
red.
be a little bit.
Well, we're gonna eat.
Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
No, it's okay. Just let me know. So,
I don't think we have any more room on our brightness. And this is max style here.
Do you want me to adjust it? You watch?
Well, there's so many pots back there. I'm doing all kinds of balancing from the different sides. What I did with my damn screwdriver. Okay. So I'm gonna try. I'll try to turn it up with brightness a little bit, but we need to go down on the green, down on the red. You can see green and red up in here.
Okay.
Also gonna try to push in a video signal a little bit. I like how this flyback is positioned. Okay. That's all we got on brightness.
Okay.
That's darker, right?
It's like, yeah, that's black now. When you turn up all the way, there's like lines going horizontally.
Tell me when the lines go away.
Okay.
Gone?
Yeah.
That's normal.
It's just like,
yeah, something going on with the video signal. And this still isn't doing anything.
the up and down's gone away, but that's normal when we've left it on. When it warms up, it goes away.
Alright, so let me keep going with these colors. Go green and red down a little bit. At least I'm going to get this part right. What do I keep doing with my screwdriver? Jesus.
You're leaving it on tech from ours?
Alright. Here's green coming down. Just tell me when that left side's gone.
Okay, I'm watching it. I'm not seeing anything yet.
The right side, I mean.
Yeah.
Nothing?
Yeah, I mean, it's still there a little bit. Alright, now it's gone. It's about the same as blue now.
Okay, and red needs to come down a little bit. See, we got red on that white up there. I don't know why our video signal's so awful. I even reflowed that connector. Okay, red coming down.
Okay. Keep going. Keep going, that's good.
Hang on 1 second. Coming down?
Yeah, it's definitely coming down. A little bit more. Just right there, stop. They're all the same length now.
Is it white at the top?
White and gray, yeah.
It's got too much green in it still. I don't know what is going on with this.
Well, here, let me try these for a sec now that you've done that. So let's see if this one does.
You can read them. They're labeled.
Yeah, so if we go select that one.
Most of them are going to be moving it around, or they're going to be your frequency on your horizontal hold and stuff.
Yeah.
I think there's only 2 of them that you really are going to need to use. Let's go ahead and stop here on the recording and this, and then let's go ahead and fix that B+.
Okay.
I guarantee that's wrong. So we'll be back. We're gonna continue adjusting on this. Okay, so we've adjusted and adjusted and adjusted. We've changed transistors. I thought I hooked the flyback up wrong. There's really good red right now. We just can't quite get this contrast going. It looks blue up here, but it's actually yellow with blue. That looks all blue.
Whenever there's green, green is always yellow. That's the main thing the whole time. Green has always been yellow.
Green is super strong, blue is super strong, and even changing transistors, the red didn't come back all the way. But I think it's just a matter of twisting knobs until we find the right combination. But it's close enough. We're gonna pack it up. It's been 2 days working on this. I did think that after looking around yesterday, we couldn't get hardly anything done. And what the problem was, first I thought I hooked these wires up for the flyback wrong, so I thought that was why it was looking like that. What we ended up doing was reflowing the socket for the neckboard, and what else did we reflow? Over the transistors, and then this guy down here, this remote board, this little tiny connector right here on the end wasn't soldered in all the way, and you could just wiggle it and see the legs moving. So I soldered that together, and that actually gave us a lot more flyback brightness and focus control. Oh, I'm having trouble getting through here. But anyway, anything to add, Nathan?
Hey, thanks for the help, man.
So we will get back to this and adjust it later, and then I'll update you guys. But it looks like it's missing green and red. It looks, I don't know. Tired of messing with it. We'll see you next time.
Did you like that video? I loved it. Was I not in it? Well, then I didn't love that. I better been in that video. I hope you liked the video. It was definitely my best work. If I'm not in that video, you better watch this one over here. Oh, if you're not going to do that, just subscribe. You'll get a notification. Bye.